Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Uba Alexander Elhek ulang Menteri Kesorkan Jela ula ong ba ke Jingkynnoh badang sian jong MLA ke All India Trinamool Congress Dr. Mukul sangma persya Menteri lang ba ke Jela Conrad kongkel sangma ba udan ke jingade ke bejan bat way ubrio balakeno ba udai snar nong khai drugs hakador par senra jong ke ying dor par thau an badang syukut sian kadai tang ke jingkren Khynnah rit ha ke jingkren bigila pathai kubor uba Elhek ula ong ba ke jingon ra ikene kamat ke bakta ya ke jing shimet jong no re jong lo kadai tangkakam Khynnah sudah.
Topic brought on somebody's personal life is a childish for me. Purely childish. Suppose tomorrow, for just I'm giving the example what is going on. Suppose you all have your own friend. We don't know whether your friend belong from which character or they belong from where, you don't know. Friends are friends. For example, I'm telling you, suppose there's some which is I don't want to use direct word, some family which is disliked by anyone. If she come to me and she'll tell me, Ba, or she will tell me in Hindi, oh, Bhaiya, you are my brother, can I deny her? Because she respect me, I had to respect her also. What is wrong for that woman or that girl if she come and tell me, oh, brother, you are my brother? I said, come, you're my sister. If everybody dislike her also, I have no issue. She would have said, no, brother, I want to take photograph with you. You will come here. Take photograph with me. What's wrong to take photograph with me? Is anything wrong? Don't bring anything, the personal life of anybody and the public domains. You have your personal life, I have my personal life, everybody have their own personal life. I have my many other friends also, we are there together, they are respected, they respect me, you have to equally be reciprocate them. What's wrong to respect them? Even the Mary Magdalene, where people have thrown stone on her, but Jesus has accepted her to sit near him and wash his feet. But people around, they have telling many things against Mary Magdalene. But see, God also accept anybody is coming to him. And what's wrong here to take photograph with anyone? Just told you at the beginning also, I don't want to be interfere in somebody's personal life. But whatever he has said in the house in the public domain is a childish.